Introducing Silk Veil Shine Serum. This lightweight shine serum transforms and defines any texture of hair. Your hair will become brilliant, sleek, and full of shine. Meadow foam seed oil adds shine and conditions hair while aiding in protecting ends from breakage caused by frequent brushing or other daily activities. Apply a small amount on towel-dried or dry hair and leave to absorb or heat style into the hair. You can use before and after flat ironing for a sleek finish. Use on dry hair to calm the ends and protect the cuticle from environmental stresses and breakage.